Thursday, March 30, 2023. Hello and welcome to Real News. For the first time ever, the U.S. former president, Donald Trump, has been indicted by a Manhattan grand jury after a probe into hush money paid to porn star Stormy Daniels, becoming the first former U.S. president to face criminal charges even as he makes another run for the White House. The specific charges are not yet known, as the indictment remains under seal. According to Yahoo's News, here's what happened so far. The New York grand jury investigating a hush money payment made to porn star Stormy Daniels in the run-up to the 2016 election has voted to indict former President Donald Trump, multiple outlets including the New York Times and Reuters reported early Thursday evening. Trump is the first president in U.S. history ever to face criminal charges. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office said it had reached out to the former president's lawyer to coordinate Trump's surrender, which could happen early next week. They did not say whether they intended to seek prison time in the event of a conviction, a development that wouldn't prevent Trump from assuming the presidency. According to a source, Trump is expected to appear before a New York City judge sometime next week. In a lengthy statement, Trump called his indictment political persecution and interference at the highest level. Trump appealed to supporters to provide money for a legal defense. He has raised over $2 million, according to his campaign, since he incorrectly predicted on March 18 that he would be arrested 4 days later. The charges could hurt Trump's presidential comeback attempt, as the mugshot from his arraignment and any visuals from his courtroom appearances could provide fodder for rivals. Trump, who has denied any wrongdoing and has repeatedly assailed the investigation, called the indictment political persecution and predicted it would damage Democrats in 2024. In a statement confirming the charges, defense lawyers Susan Necheles and Joseph Tacopina said Trump did not commit any crime. "We will vigorously fight this political prosecution in court." The timing of the indictment appeared to come as a surprise to Trump campaign officials following news reports that criminal charges were likely weeks away. The former president was at Mar-a-Lago, his Florida estate, on Thursday and filmed an interview with a conservative commentator earlier in the day. Trump could use the case to stoke anger among his core supporters, though other Republican voters might tire of the drama. Some 44% of Republicans said he should drop out of the race if he is indicted, according to a Reuters Ipsos poll released last week. Stormy Daniels, the woman at the center of Donald Trump's latest legal scandal, tweeted a two-word response to the news of the former president's indictment. "Thank you," she wrote. "Thank you for tuning in to listen to Real News.